The Houston Ship Channel is the nation's #1 waterway for tonnage and ship calls. To meet global trade demands, secure our economic future, and enhance navigation safety, the Port of Houston Authority and the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers are working on the Houston Ship Channel Expansion, Project 11. Segments 1 and 2 are presented as complete. Construction on these first segments followed a parallel process where port-led design was concurrent with federal approvals and authorizations. This approach, combined with advance funding, advocacy finance, and design, expedited the project, so the benefits were delivered over a decade early. Environmental features of Project 11 include constructing approximately 10 acres of bird islands, 276 acres of marsh, and 324 acres of oyster reefs. When complete, vessel nitrogen oxide emissions are expected to be reduced by between 3 and 7%, improving air quality. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize Project 11, Houston Ship Channel Expansion, Segments 1 and 2, as a 2025 OCEA Honor Award.